Good morning, children. Today I am going to take a havoc of a flood. Havoc means widespread destruction. Havoc means widespread destruction. Now we are going to see, when you open the paper, you are reading about the Hyderabad. Hyderabad people suffering a lot, all the cars also sank in the water, and the cars and everything flowing by the water. So that is the havoc. Havoc means just like a calamities. Okay, ma? Here, what is that? This really happened when the year of the 2009 and 8 in Kannur district, all the houses also sank in the water. So what is that we are going to see? Kannur, a district with a rock soil in Andhra Pradesh in the Krishna River basin. Basin means an area of land along a river, that is the basin. He is known as the land of rocks temples in Rayalaseema region. The headquarters of the districts with the namesake means same name is a clear copy with the population of 5 lakhs. In the Kannur district, we are going to see the 5 lakhs people, 5 lakh population is there. Thousands of tourists from various parts of state travel through the city on their way to tourist spots. So thousands of people are going to Kannur to see the tourist places in those days before 2009. The people of the city welcome the tourists in a warm mood. The who are living in the Kannur, they are welcoming the tourists with a warm manner, with a warm welcome. Then this is the part of their daily routine, that every day all the tourists are going to visit the Kannur district. That is their duty. Then every morning is colorful for them. Every morning they are going to see the different types of the people who came to see and who came to visit the Kannur district. So here the Kannur district was a very colorful one. Every day there was we are going to see different types of the people in the Kannur district. Then, but on 28th of September 2009, no tourists visited the city. Before that, more people are coming, thousands of people are coming to visit the Kannur district. That is the tourist. But here, after that, no. Nothing was there. What happened here in the year of the 2009? No tourists visit the city from any part of the state. There are no people are coming from the other states to the Kannur district. What happened here? No bus contained the city from any distant village or town. Something terrible happened which stopped the visitors. Something happened there, that this happened, stopped the visitors who came from all the parts of the state to visit the Kannur. Before 2009, the city was a colorful one. After the 2009, all the tourists stopped by something happened here. What was the something here? On 27 September 2000, the city had a very heavy rainfall. Now we are going to see in the Hyderabad. As the people had to spend a damp, cold and cloudy day, who are living in the Kannur district, they are feeling so bad. They are in a terrible situation. They face difficult problems because there was a heavy rainfall. Now other people are facing like that. Then they finish their business in the evening and reach their dwelling. Dwelling means living. Dwell means live. So they are finishing their work and reaching their homes in proper time where they were living. Then They brought the bright morning the next day. Again they got up and going to their business. But they are not to take spending happy life in the year of the 2009. They had scarcity arrived at their distinct destination when the rain poured down. The rain not stopping pouring year day after day, day after day, day after day pouring. Just like while we are pouring the water to the plant, like that the rain also pouring down. It's pouring continued throughout the night. Throughout the night, the water flowing just like a canal, just like a river. This is a very horrible. This horrible situation stopped the visitors who came to visit the Kannur district before 2009. As a result, with this result, on 28th September 2009, the people of Kannur had to welcome river water. They are not welcoming the visitors who came from the other state. Now, at the year of the 28th September 2009, they are welcoming the water. They are welcoming the water. Why? Because above the passage we learn the water poured throughout night. So they are welcoming the water. Then in gloomy color to their street instead of the buses full of the tourists. In the year of before 2009, all the buses are full of the tourist people. But now, instead of that, all the streets are full of the water. So the people are welcoming the water, but not the tourists. Something happened, and that is the something happened. They were got up from their sleep by a roaring flood. Inundating means covered with water. Inundating, and it covered with water. Covered with water. Where they are sleeping, not in the house. They are sleeping and dating covered with the water. Then the houses as well as shattering their hopes of getting a bright and colorful morning. They are expecting tomorrow maybe, like that. They were expecting the welcoming. They wanted to welcome the light, but they are not welcoming. They are hoping. So they are sleeping on the full of the water. They have no proper. See, they are lack of sleep. All the people who are living there, they are not sleeping properly. At 10 a.m., the Central Water Commission forecast that the inflows to the Sri Shailam Dam would go up to an enormous, very large one, level of 20 lakhs cuses of water from the Sri Shailam water also dam also. They are sending the water is flowing to the 20 lakhs of the cuses of water. See how horrible Kannur district. So already the water was full of in the Kannur. Already in Sri Shailam project dam also they go up in the 20 lakhs of the cuses of water. So the Kannur district was full of the water. The government also unable to help the that people who are suffering with the water. Then the highest in its history, posing a threat to the villages on the banks of the Krishna river. Then flood fury as the flood water reached the first story of several buildings. This is the first story, second one, third one, fourth one, like this. These are the stories. First floor, second floor, third floor, like that. This water came up to the third floor. Maybe it's going up to the fourth floor. How you can imagine. So they are afraid. They are unable to sleep. They are unable to eat. They are unable to do anything. They are going to lose their lives also. They have no life. So they were thinking, what happened tomorrow? What happened tomorrow? Like that. Why? Because full of the water. Then the first story of the buildings also down in the water. The Sri Shailam right bank power house submerged. They were heart bending. Heart rending means causing grief. Causing grief means pain. Causing grief. Pain. They have no so they're feeling something. What happened? They're causing grief. Grief means pain. Very sad. Then the floods inundated about 60 villages all over the district. All inundated means full of the water. 60 villages are covered by the water. Many of them completely submerged. Many people submerged. Then much of his misery was caused by the Tungabhadra and the Handri river. Rivers Handri is near the Karnataka hospital, Ballari something. No? The rivers also included to this Kurnool district. Then the tributaries of the Krishna, several places including Mantralayam, the seat of the Sri Raghavendra Swami Mutt, were under a sheet of 10 feet of water for 4 days. For 4 days, 10 feet of water covered this Mantralayam, and then there's a temple also. Then how horrible the Kurnool. All the houses also in the water. Cars also in the water. First story, second story houses also in the water. All the temples also in the water. Why? Because more water covered in the Kurnool district. Srisailam project dam also then released Krishna river, and then all the rivers also including and join in the Kurnool. This is a horrible situation in the year of 2009. The government was forced to seek the help of the army and the navy. The government was looking for the help of the navy and the army people. Then one of the IAF means IAF means Indian Air Force. They are unable to go by the car and something. They wanted to send the help through the air. So through the air, they wanted to have the people, helicopter, requested by the government. Rescued 15 farmers trapped to a swollen stream in a daring operation. The Sunkesala barrage across the Tungabhadra breached at 2 places as it could not discharge the massive flood. So the Kurnool district was full of the water. The Kurnool district was full of water, and given the problems to all the people, nothing was there, all washed out. Houses and all the crop and everything washed out by the water. Then 30 relief camps were opened in Kurnool to provide food. 30 camps are provided to help the whatever they need. They need water, food and everything, but not clothes. Only these are the needy things: food and water, food and shelter to at least 25,000 people rendered homeless. Some 25,000 people are not having the houses. The houses also washed out. So government wanted to help the people by the helicopter. 25,000 people are homeless. They wanted to provide the food and shelter. Then many people lost everything they had. Apart from seeking the help of the army and the navy, seeking means they are looking for the help of the navy and army, looking for the help. Then army and the navy, the government requested the personnel of the disaster management response force from Anupam in Tamil Nadu, a transport aircraft, 30 inflatable boats and an equal number of fiberglass boats. So the government people, Tamil Nadu people also wanted to send the boats. So in the river water, but through the boats also, they wanted to help the poor, not only air force, but also they wanted to help the people who lost everything. Some people are lost everything, some people are lost something. So whatever may be, all the people also taking the help of the government people through the navy and the army people by the helicopter, and Tamil Nadu people send the boat. So up to I stop this, and tomorrow I continue the same lesson. Okay, have you understood what is the habit? So now we are saying, you can imagine how is the Hyderabad. If you imagine, you can understand clearly what about the Kurnool in the year of the 2009. So this is the one type of the calamities. Okay, ma? Calamities are more you learn in the lower section also. So this is one type of the calamities. So whatever may be, maybe we are also going to get, it is raining, no. So maybe we don't know anything. So we depend, we have to look the help of the God. Okay, ma? Have you understood? Is this clear? Okay, bye.